Hey guys, welcome back. It is a cold and snowy day here, and I have decided to do a power hour video to see how much I can get done this morning. I have my list made, I have my cup full of water to bring with me, so I'll go ahead and I'm just setting a timer for 1 hour. Let's see what we can get done. I'm first starting here in the kitchen. I just have some dishes and things left around that I didn't clean up last night. Not too messy, but let's see what we can do.
Underneath the fireworks sky, and I said everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. But that's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Pictures on my phone remind me that I'm on my own, and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky? And I said everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we
I do have just a couple things that need to be hand washed, so I'm just filling up my sink a little bit, and I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. Now you will see here I completely forgot that I had just gotten in this Bubble Up sponge dish, so I did put some soap down in my sink, but I am going to test out that sponge, and I actually do like it pretty good. I think I'll decide more as I use it a couple more times. Let me know if you have it and what your thoughts are.
and I need you. That's just my point of view. Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
I don't know about you guys, but I think one of the main things that make me feel like my kitchen is clean is to have a clean kitchen sink. So I'm just going in with this Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser, and I'm just going to give the sink a good scrub and then rinse it off.
Somewhere by the emerald sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
I remember reading a tip a while back from a YouTube video, and I don't remember who it was, but I'm pretty sure they said they got this tip from the Fly Lady blog, and that was if you want your kitchen sink to really shine, the trick is to dry it. And I didn't really believe that. I was like, oh, it can't make that much of a difference. But I am telling you guys, it makes a huge difference just by taking the time to dry your sink. That way you don't end up with any water spots. And look at this finished project. I am now saying I will always dry my sink. I'm just going to tidy up the floors. I'm going to give a little sweep and then use my Swiffer today, just where I've had snow boots in here to dry. I normally use an O-Cedar mop about once a week or more if it's really dirty, but I do like using just a Swiffer spray mop for the days in between so I don't have to pull out the mop bucket.
You can't love something you own. It's too late to repair what we made.
So now I'm going to get started on just making the bed in here. I think that making the bed is one of those tasks like cleaning the sink that instantly makes a room look better. So I'm going to open the blinds to bring some light in, and you see I have to move the cat because for some reason he never wants to be on the bed until I need to do something with it. In the living room, there's not a whole lot to do, just mainly picking up some shoes that were left in here from last night, putting away our tray tables and laptops, and folding some blankets.
I'm scared, where'd you go? What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon. The sun don't rise on the light.
Having two cats, I do try and vacuum several times a week, if not every day that I'm off, just because they seem to shed a lot, especially right now. I don't know if they shed more in winter. I feel like they would shed more in the summer, but I am finding clumps of cat hair everywhere. In this area I just have some coats and things to put away, and then the desk I know is a complete disaster right now. A lot of those items are my husband's school papers and I don't really know what's important and what's not. So I'm just going to quickly kind of just pick everything up out of the floor, get it in a stack here for him to go through when he gets home, and that way I can at least vacuum the floors.
Got deja vu when I saw you at a table at our old spot set for two, with that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.
Now we've made it to the last room, and that is the bathroom. I just wanted to do a quick cleanup in here, putting everything away that I had on the counter that I got ready with this morning, and then I'm going in with a Clorox wand and just giving the toilet a good scrub. I do prefer using the Clorox wand over a traditional brush. For some reason, just cleaning the toilet is very gross to me and I can't do it. And I'm going to use some Clorox wipes just on the seat there and on all of the surrounding areas.
Think it's time. I still catch myself thinking back to you to remember how good it felt. Now I see him in your pictures and it gets me overwhelmed.
And lastly, I'm just going to take some of the Method glass cleaner, and I'm having to move our toothbrushes there because we have the Quip toothbrushes, so they're actually mounted to the mirror. So just moving those so I can give it a spray, and then using my Mrs. Meyer's on the
I
countertop.
say to my friends, but they'll know I'm not alright. Cause I saw forever in your eyes, but I think of forever. I think it's out of time.
So that is it. I actually got my entire list done. I know it wasn't a huge list, but I do have about 5 minutes and 40 seconds left over, and that's even with moving the camera and everything else. So if you guys enjoyed watching and want to see more power hours, make sure and give this video a like and hit that subscribe button.
When I fell for you, I never planned on landing. But I pretend I'm good till I'm the last man standing. I'll say I'm fine.